Hi there, it's Becca here from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm showing you around this Toyota RAV4 XL 4-wheel drive. It's a 2018 model based on the 2.5 litre petrol hybrid powertrain with automatic transmission. This car comes from two previous owners with 53,000 miles on the clock, and it's finished in the stunning pale white pearlescent paintwork. Some of the key exterior features on the car include the automatic headlights offering fantastic visibility. The car offers rear privacy glass and contrasting black door mirrors for a sleek look to the vehicle, and sits on those fantastic 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Moving into the boot space here, you can see the RAV4 offers an extensive amount of storage room along with the ability to fold rear seats down if needed. Into the rear seats themselves, you can see they're finished in the full leather upholstery, and you will find ISO-fixed mounting points on the outer two seats. Heading into the driver's interior, you've got controls on the door card for your electric windows and door mirrors. You've got a brushed aluminium detailing throughout the interior and comfort seating in the front, with the driver's seat offering electric adjustment. Now the steering wheel is multifunction with volume and media controls available on there, and then just behind the wheel you will find the cruise control and the speed limiter, which comes in handy for motorway drives. Up at the dials you will find your exact mileage and trip information, along with access to some of your media features so you can make adjustments on the go. Moving across to the touchscreen media system, we've got plenty of features to choose from here. In terms of music, you can access DAB, FM and AM radio wavebands with plenty of preloaded stations, or if you'd prefer you can stream your own music via Bluetooth, aux or USB. Now you can also use that Bluetooth feature for safely taking and making phone calls while out on the go. Under the car tab you can access your hybrid information and your energy usage. And then under the nav tab you can see we do have the full satellite navigation system, allowing you to easily plan routes and check out any nearby points of interest. You can also access all of your system settings within the screen. Popping the car into reverse will display the rear view camera. You have also got front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvres in this SUV much easier. Below the media screen you will find the dual zone climate control, and below again you'll notice the RAV4 offers heated front seats, which are great to have for the winter. You've also got your selectable driving modes there alongside the cup holders and media ports, in addition to the automatic gear selector and manual handbrake. You'll find further storage along the centre console with the cup holders and the armrest. Thank you for watching the video tour on this Toyota RAV4, currently available at Motormatch Chester. For more information, please contact our sales team.